Game-Nade. Glass. Is that glass right there? You see that? Is that glass? You hear those little guys? They say don't sleep on the job.
They say rah.
Okay.
Idiot. Shouldn't have died.
Hey, you guys should turn your backs to me so I can kill you. Thanks. Hey, you want to do it? Yep. Hey, give me more ammo, Cancer.
No.
Uh-oh, I found a big guy.
I'm dead.
How are you still alive? Stop!
There you go.
Yeah, no, you gotta shoot him, punch him. Oh.
He's gone.
Why don't they just have that armor for every alien?
That's expansive.
Why don't they just, like, kill someone for it? Hold on, I gotta go back to Crappy right here. I got an idea. Where you at? Come here. Stand right there. Alright. Jump up. No, just stand! God, you just stand?
I don't know how.
Don't crouch. Perfect. Alright, now I'm gonna jump up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I gotta put you out of your misery.
No, no, stand right there. Alright. Now jump up here. Then...
Oh my god!
Why? Look, I'm trying to get my truck back, alright? Quicker and better than that. Maybe I should drop that. That's getting annoying.
How?
Why did I
Cheat.
come up here?
Cheat.
You
You didn't even have to jump on my head to do that.
Cancer, look, I found the way.
Yeah. Use crouch jump.
Be the comically large warthog.
Cancer, come this way. I found the way.
Gotta get up here. I wish, like, all of my controls didn't have a delay. Let me up. Let me up.
You don't need to go up there.
Let me up.
Please, just
Where do I go?
look at where my green arrow is.
I don't see your green arrow.
Oh my god.
I see it.
Game-Nade. Can I please show you this comically large warthog?
Look. What version of the game is it in?
It's Halo C.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe.
Where the
Nah,
fuck?
I need to stream it to you.
I'm not watching it. I'm doing something.
I'm just gonna jump off the map.
No, just... You teleported me...
I'll kill you!
Fine, I'll find the way on my own.
What the fucking fuck?
We tried it the nice way, now we do it the Skips way.
Oh.
Go, God, that's a better weapon than mine.
No!
I'm better. Get the... Stop.
Come on, show me
Bad.
The way. Show me the way.
Alright, you gotta
Find
promise.
this place.
Alright, stay right here. Okay, wow. No, no, no! Stay on the other side.
Right.
Alright, hold on. Alright, now come through.
Give it the shot charged up.
Maybe. Wait. Uh-oh. We're supposed to go up! Hell yeah!
What happened to this guy? Oh, bye.
Don't do what I did. There's nothing but that down there. Hey, what's down there?
Let's go.
a massacre. I like how there's an overheat function on this gun. Wow, this is just the best gun in the game. I mean, why would you use anything else? You just shoot them like once and then you punch them. And it has like 100 ammo. Here we go.
That's a good question. Maybe towards these arrows.
Arrows? Where?
I don't know.
Is this glass?
That it wasn't an arrow.
Oh no, it's just ugly. Oh.
What?
This is where they put all the farts, dude.
The
Stinky. Yeah, looks like that way.
Oh, found it. It's this way.
Wait. Wait, maybe we're supposed to break one of these.
There it is.
I hear grunt, but I don't speak grunt.
This way.
I tell you what I got the other day?
What'd you get?
Someone emailed me about my auction not included series like an episode after I made a joke. Like they went to my personal email and like emailed me to tell me what I was doing wrong. And he was very angry.
Why was he so mad?
I have no idea. He's like, well, you see, you're not building your thing to the optimal placement. I was like, oh.
See the arrows.
Okay, well, I don't see.
Because you're using retarded vision.
Maybe that's a good point. Alright, I turned on the good graphics.
There's only one arrow. And it points into this room.
Okay. Where are we supposed to go?
We don't have a truck.
We had a truck.
Yes, we need a truck.
Wow.
We're supposed to even be in this room?
Oh, I heard. Oh.
Arrows.
Oh, hey, you're right, arrow. Wow, that was really good how you blew yourself up. Truck!
Alright, bye. It's not a truck.
No, I was using that to launch myself towards the truck.
Why didn't you just walk towards the truck?
Because this is a lot cooler.
Is it?
No? Oh, I want to try that. Oh, hey, I got him. I am narrowly avoiding death.
Yeah, that's what happened to me.
Whoops. My bad.
We
My
gotta
bad.
sneak up on them.
Yeah, if we sneak up on them, they won't know we're here. And we can steal the vehicle.
And they'll die. Uh-oh.
Nah, he can't see us.
So that was a fucking lie.
Let me in!
You gotta hold E on it.
I can't do that!
Uh-oh.
You know me. I don't think they really
Yeah, maybe we should go to the Warthog. Like, that'd probably be a better idea, you know? Yeah, let's watch Cantor literally kill everyone now.
I don't know what's up with that shit.
Oh wait,
Like,
shoot!
I know what I have to do, but I don't know if I have the strength to do it.
Shooting the slit. Oh.
I don't know, I genuinely don't know what killed me. Just dropped dead.
Alright,
Had a
to the
heart attack.
Warthog we go.
Have fun with that. Gotta go back to the mission.
Look, you're gonna be really upset whenever I'm driving a Warthog, and you're not.
I think I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead.
Hey. Oh wait, they're getting in the truck!
Why are you getting out of it? Have a fucking grenade launcher. Leave.
Oh!
Killed him.
How do I break this thing?
Not like that.
Frick! You can't cook a grenade.
What?
Good job.
What?
I tried to cook a grenade and it was a sticky, so. Plasma Master! You know it! I am not in the right seat.
Idiot.
Man, you made it to the party, Mert! I want the... There we go.
I have this.
Nope!
Nope, guess not.
You better get in. That guy got on the gun turret and died. Good. Alright, so war is over. Because I'm leaving.
Bye.
I am what controls war. I am the deciding...
Want.
Uh-oh.
Damn.
Ah,
Damn.
ha 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 ha!
This is not a good spot to be in.
Woo! Yeah! You want to see the last thing you see?
クイーンの特殊能力。それは触れたものはどんなものでも爆弾に変えることができる。なんであろうと。たとえ100円玉だろうと。
Before you die? How bad does this look, actually? Oh wow, this looks... Hold on, there's an up. What are you doing?
Drive.
Oh wait, there's a ghost over there, you can drive it. Whoops! Hey, sorry there, bud. Hey, sorry there.
Oh.
You can get on this tank too.
It's
Like
it's
the front seat.
It just you just die.
Wait a
instantly.
minute. Wait a minute. I know I don't see what I think I see.
Got him, idiot. Can I?
More rocket launchers.
Wow, turning on this thing is fucking awful.
It's just like how you drive every other vehicle in this game.
It's not.
The Covenant placed their
It's like
troops
less
defend the
responsive
entrance to the
somehow.
Uh-oh. Their tank is trying to confront my tank, but I'm not brave enough.
Okay.
Bye.
I'll take care of this.
I killed myself. Panther, please just run. Please just run.
I'll take care of this.
Please just run.
I'm out of here. I gotta get out of here.
Hey,